First, I'm taking a diary. You can take any notebook or exam pad. And I'm taking a silk thread. I will add the material list and the product links also in the description. Make 20 strands as shown. And then secure it with a glue. I'm using a fabric glue. Using a scissor, cut it in center. Our thread strip is ready. Now I'm taking a plastic bangle. You can also take a glass bangle. Now stick the thread strip using a fabric glue. Now cover the bangle with a thread as shown. In the end, secure it with a glue. Cut out the extra thread. Again, stick this using a glue. I'm going to make other half. Our base is ready. Now I'm taking a round kundan stones. Stick the stones using a fabric glue. I'm sticking the stones at regular intervals. I made 5 other bangles. Now I'm taking a yellow silk thread. Repeat the same steps. I'm using a contrast color. You can use any color you like. If you guys don't have a time to make this all, no worries guys, we got your back. You can place an order in WhatsApp or DM us in Instagram, and also we have an amazing gifts collection in our Instagram page. I will leave the Instagram link in the description. Go and check it out guys. Now I'm taking a square kundan stones. I'm going to stick this in a diamond shape. Again I'm taking a round kundan stones. I'm going to stick this in between the square stones. Stick the stones in both sides. I made another one. Our bangle is ready.